A new dawn in energy. Introducing the self-charging battery. Imagine a world free from charging cables. NDB's self-charging battery redefines energy storage, harnessing nanodiamonds and recycled nuclear waste. This innovation impacts all industries, powering devices and electric vehicles, storing energy on a grid scale, limitless applications, unprecedented convenience and efficiency. A quest for self-sustaining energy. NDB's breakthrough brings us closer. A story of innovation and responsibility. Power from within. The science of nanodiamonds and recycled nuclear waste. NDB's self-charging battery combines nanotechnology and nuclear waste. Nanodiamonds extract energy from recycled radioactive graphite. This process transforms waste into a valuable resource. The battery charges itself, offering sustainable energy. A battery for life, longevity, and environmental advantages. One of the most remarkable aspects of NDB's self-charging battery technology is its exceptional lifespan. Unlike conventional batteries that degrade over time and require frequent replacement, these self-sustaining power sources are engineered to last for decades, potentially even centuries. This longevity stems from the inherent stability of the nanodiamond structure and the continuous nature of the energy-generating process. The environmental implications of such extended battery life are profound. Traditional battery production relies on the extraction of finite resources, often under environmentally damaging conditions. Moreover, the disposal of spent batteries contributes significantly to electronic waste, a growing global concern. NDB's technology offers a compelling solution by dramatically reducing the need for both battery production and disposal. The use of recycled nuclear waste further enhances the environmental credentials of this technology. By providing a safe and productive use for this hazardous material, NDB's batteries contribute to a cleaner, safer planet. The long-term storage of nuclear waste has long been a challenge, often fraught with risks and uncertainties. This innovative approach transforms this challenge into an opportunity, turning a potential environmental hazard into a source of clean energy. Section 4. Transforming industries. Applications across sectors. The potential applications of NDB's self-charging battery technology span a vast array of industries, promising to revolutionize sectors ranging from consumer electronics to healthcare, transportation, and beyond. Imagine a world where smartphones and laptops remain powered for decades on a single charge, eliminating the need for bulky adapters and the constant hunt for power outlets. In the realm of electric vehicles, self-charging batteries could eliminate range anxiety and the need for extensive charging infrastructure. Cars could essentially power themselves, dramatically reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable transportation system. The impact on the automotive industry would be transformative, ushering in a new era of electric mobility. Beyond these applications, self-charging batteries hold immense potential for grid-scale energy storage. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are inherently intermittent, generating electricity only when the sun is shining or the wind is blowing. Batteries capable of storing vast amounts of energy for extended periods would be essential for creating a reliable and resilient renewable energy grid. NDB's technology could be the key to unlocking the full potential of renewable energy, enabling a future powered by clean, sustainable sources. Thank you for watching our video on NDB Cell, the future of self-charging batteries. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for more updates.